Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, Miller's Language School. Do you like learning English? Let's learn English together.
In this video, Basic English for Beginners. Common phrases in English, if you don't understand or if they don't understand you.
If you don't understand.
Common phrases in English.
1. I'm sorry, I didn't understand you. Will you repeat, please? 2. Sorry, I didn't quite get you. Say it with other words, please. 3. Sorry, my English is not very good. Say it again, please.
If they don't understand you.
You can say it.
Common phrases in English.
1. Sorry, I don't speak English. 2. Sorry, my English is not very good. 3. Is there anybody speaking French?
Common phrases of gratitude in English.
1. Thank you. 2. Thank you very much. 3. Thanks a lot. 4. I'm grateful for. 5. I appreciate that. 6. I feel blessed. 7. I'm fortunate. 8. I'm indebted.
Common phrases in response to gratitude in English.
1. You are welcome. 2. Not at all. 3. No problem. 4. No worries. 5. Don't mention it. 6. My pleasure. 7. Glad to help. 8. Anytime. 9. Sure.
Simple dialogue.
Hello. I'm Mrs. Miller. What's your name? How do you do?
How do you do?
I'm a landlady. Oh, dear. I can see you still don't understand.
I'm sorry. I didn't understand you. Will you repeat, please?
Okay. I say it with other words. Let me try again. I'm a hostess for foreign visitors to the USA.
Sorry, my English is not very good. Say it again, please.
Sorry, am I shouting? I'm so used to talking to foreigners, Turks, Swedes, Australians and Swiss, theirs and Saudis.
Sorry, I didn't quite get you.
But you see how easy English is? I have learned to speak slowly and clearly. Simple words.
Thanks a lot, Mrs. Miller.
Not at all. That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, I'm wondering if you can use any of these expressions in the comments. Let me know which one of these you would like to use. Thank you so much for learning English with me. If you liked this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll say see you again for a new lesson on my YouTube channel. Bye.